Agriculture is the primary source of livelihood for about 60% of India's population. Food and fabrics are major product of agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of the economic system of India. Gross value added GVA in agriculture and allied sectors stood at 4% in financial year 2019-20. The major climate vulnerabilities in the state of Odisha are drought, flood, cyclone, late onset of monsoon, uneven distribution of rainfall, and dry spell. At the same time, in Ganjam district, drought, late onset of monsoon, uneven distribution of rainfall, moisture stress during maturity, cyclone, waterlogging in October month, shortage of fodder in lean period, particularly in summer, are quite frequent. To address these climate vulnerabilities, the Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR launched NICRA project in 2011 in collaboration with NRM and Extension Division of ICAR, Central Research Institute for Dryland Agriculture, CRIDA. The program is coordinated by ATARI and Dean Extension Education. NICRA project is operating in 4 villages of Jagannath Prasad block in Ganjam district, that is Chopra, Noda, Chikili and Lepa. Total household of Chopra, Noda, Chikili, Lepa are 315, 435, 370 and 125 respectively, and with a gross cropped area of 185 hectares, 270 hectares, 280 hectares and 95 hectares respectively. These cluster of villages under NICRA were selected on the basis of one climatic vulnerability, that is drought, and different resilient technologies were demonstrated in the project villages. Low-cost structures known as farm ponds were renovated for rainwater harvesting and raising high-value crops like vegetables during Rabi season and to provide supplemental irrigation during dry spells. 3 farm ponds were renovated during last 5 years with a total capacity of 16,000 meter cube irrigation water potential.
पोखरी मु माछ चाष कर पार नथिली निकिरा प्रोजेक्ट द्वारा 15टा मोर मरामती हो पारा मुझे माछ छाड़ी 2 पैसा अधिक रोजगार क्षम होती पोखरी मरामती द्वारा मोर तलपटे जमी पनीपरिया चाष धान भी ठीक पाई।
Community tank was renovated which provides scopes for fish production along with the additional irrigation during Rabi season.
The renovated pond along with irrigation we have used for fish production, where we stock yearly at a rate 5,000 per hectare and fed them floating feed 5 to 1% body weight during the culture period of 6 to 8 months, so that we reduce the mortality below 10% and we have increased the yield 35 to 40% than the farmers practice.
Construction of check dam in the village Chopra, which provides additional irrigation facility to 20 hectares area. 3 more check dams were also constructed in collaboration with MG NRGYS.
आम गाँव को चेक डैम किसी नाला आ फल मरुड़ी ये सब सौलु भंजनगर केविके निकिरार ये चेक डैम टी पाइलु आ फल रबी धान चाष 2 गुण कर पाइलु।
Distilling and renovation of 5 open duct well in Chopra increases cropping area and income of farmers.
प्रथमे आम कूह गुड़ाक सब पोते जाइला माटी भुसुड़ी केबीके आ निकरा प्रोजेक्ट मिसिक कूह गुड़ा मरामती करने साहाଯ୍य कले सीमटरे भी कूह गुड़ा आगटा होती बाकी जलस्तर भी उपरको आसला आग पानीर अभाव होता लेकिन बर्तमान फसल भल भाव हो पारे बहुत लोक उपकृत हो
Raising of farm bunds to 10-inch height for increasing water holding capacity.
आज्ञा आम आगु जो फसल करियारे जमी जमार सब हुड़ा जाक बहुत छोट थिला वर्षा हेले सार जहाँ पके धोई सब पड़े जाए थाए किंतु बर्तमान निक्रिया सहायता सार मैंने आसी आमको जो शिक्षा देले से शिक्षा पाई आम हुड़ा जाक सब हाणी उच्चा करिया सकाशे पानी बाली सब रहिला वर्षा हेले पानी रहिला अमल भी बहुत भल होला।
In situ measures such as growing maize and cowpea in ridge and furrow method increase water use efficiency. Green manuring by incorporating dhanicha improves water holding capacity and soil health. Resilient crop interventions were introduced to stabilize productivity under variable climatic stresses. Cultivation of short duration drought tolerant varieties of rice Sahabhagitana in upland, Swarna Shreya in medium land enabled farmers to cope up with dry spell and can tolerate moisture stress for 15 days.
आम आगु धान करूँ ललाट से अन्य धान डिप जमी धान करूँ जोटा कि नष्ट होता बर्तमान निकिरा प्रोजेक्ट तरफ स्वर्णश्रिया मिलता स्वर्णश्रिया कर बर्तमान भल
अन्य पूजा मसरी धान करूली एवं जो हसन धान मिलला बहुत भल होती जो आग चकड़ा पक होता से चकड़ा पकड़ उद्धार पाई निकिरा प्रोजेक्ट धान पाई
अन्य धान करी मरी जाऊला निकिरा सहभागी धानटा देले मोर ए वर्ष अमल टी भल अच्छी मरीनी।
Waterlogging prone area, flood tolerant rice varieties, Bina 11 in medium land and Swarna Sub 1 in lowland helped farmers to overcome short-term submergence like situation. Introduction of short duration YMV tolerant varieties of green gram IPM 0203, IPM 0214 helped farmers to reduce YMV incidence.
आमे देशी मुग करूँ देशी मुगरे सब किया रोग होता है आउ झामी जाऊे तापर एबे IPM 0214 से मुगुड़ा कर आमर भल अमल है।
Medium duration pigeon pea variety PRG 176 in place of long duration local varieties helped to overcome moisture stress and flower drop situation.
आउ देशी कांदुल करूँ से कांदुल बेसी दिन नागे फूल फल झड़ी जाए भंजनगर केबिके फल आनिया अमल एवं फूल फल भल रोचे कम झड़ुची भल आद्य हो।
Soil test based integrated manure and fertilizer use with soil health card was taken up in Nikra cluster villages. Raising of vegetable seedlings under low cost poly house to cope up with adverse weather situation.
Farmers are facing different problems. We have suggest them to prepare a low cost polyhouse by which they can sustain their seedling.
मुझ बाहर पनीपरिया तली पकाउली वर्षा दिन बहुत तली क्षति हो जाता भंजनगर केबिके निकरारू मत गोटे पल्ली हाउस मिली मुझे पल्ली हाउस तली पकाऊँगी बहुत उन्नत मान तली हो मरुना।
In tomato and brinjal vegetable crops, moisture loss and nutrient loss are two major problems due to heavy weed infestation. By polymulching of 50 micron polythene size in raised bed, the weed population decreased by 85%.
गला वर्ष टमाटो बैगन तले लगे अधिक घास है अधिक पानी खर्च है आउ वर्ष पॉलिथिन रे लगे पानी कम खर्च घास भी कम आदाय अधिक।
Introduction of stress-tolerant poultry breed Kadaknath was successful in building the proportion of resilient stock and provide employment opportunities at the village level.
ये देशी कुकुड़ा बहुत बेमार रे क्षति होता मरी जाते ओजन भी बहुत कम होते बर्तमान निकरा प्रोजेक्ट द्वारा हमको कड़कनाथ कुकुड़ा मिलला या ग्रोथ भी भल करुच्ची रोग भी से होने यार अंडा भी भल देउची आम जलवायु ये कड़कनाथ भल सुहाउचे।
Availability of fodder is a challenge in the region, especially during drought and summer. Farmers adopted year-round fodder production system with hybrid Napier.
The vulnerability of adverse climate occurs during the high heat of the summer. During that period, naturally available forages are not there for cattle farmers. By the NICRA program, we have introduced the perennial fodder cultivation, which ultimately increases the economics of the dairy farming in the region.
Animal sheds with concrete flooring and straw-thatched roof and gunny bags covered during winter could able to maintain congenial microenvironment and thus improve the productivity.
To improve the immunity of the cattle and goats, there is regular vaccination so that they will be less prone to the diseases and their immunity to different diseases has been enhanced.
The composite fish farming practice with major carps, yearlings and floating fish feed management in the harvested rainwater gave an additional income to the farmers. Village Climate Risk Management Committees, known as VCRMCs, were formed with 12 villagers to share support and encourage fellow farmers to adapt to the change in climatic conditions. Regular meetings were conducted to access local resources and prioritize local specific technology interventions. CHCs are managed by VCRMCs themselves and hiring charges are worked out by farmers group. Revenue from hiring is deposited in a bank account and is used for repair and maintenance of machines. Availability of quality seed is an issue and seed banks were created to provide quality seed of resilient crop varieties to farmers in NICRA and nearby villages. Training programs, methods demonstration, exposure visit were conducted regularly to increase skill development for adverse climatic condition and to increase income of farmers. The NICRA project identified successful practices for climate resilience in agriculture in these complex, diverse and risk-prone environments. The project opened up opportunities for scaling up and scaling out of proven interventions. NICRA villages, that is Chopra, Chikili, Lepa and Noda, became hubs for learning on climate resilient agriculture and paved the way for mainstreaming of climate resilient practices to manage climate variability.